Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today, we are at the first Sunday of the month, and you know what that means. It is Pose of the Month. And for this theming this month, we're going to be doing the box from Do Yoga Anywhere. It has 55 illustration cards, and there's also sequencing cards as well. We're going to do today's card for the Pose of the Month is card 44. And it is called Cat Cow. And I'm going to read to you from the card itself what are the benefits of that. Massages the digestive organs, stretches the neck and spine, improves your posture, and stretches your hips and lower back, and encourages circulation. Now I'm going to be reading, and also how it tells you how to do the pose. So I'm going to read to you as I'm doing it of what it says. All right. So it says, come to your hands and knees and align your knees under your hips. Wrist under the shoulders. Lift your sit bones and head to the ceiling while sinking your belly. Then rounding your spine and head towards the floor. This is like the cow. This is the cat. So like this. And you do that with a sequence of breathing. It says alternate with cat cow several times to base on the sequence. So breathe in, and then you let it out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And out. All right, you guys got the hang of it? That's good. All right, when you want to get into the seated position, put your ankles together and then push it back. And then turn. I want to thank you for watching. Be back next week. We will choose either 3 random cards, depending upon what poses we get, or it will be one sequencing card. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please follow me on social. Namaste.